Hi folks, welcome back to Desert Adventures in Arizona. You know, we live in the rural part of Arizona. We drive around on these roads out here. And this area where we live is full of cattle. It's an open range area, so there's a lot of cattle out here. And one of the risks that we have, especially driving at night, coming around a curve, is that you have a chance of running into one of those cows. Especially when they're black, they're hard to see when you're traveling, 40, 45 miles an hour. And so the headlights that I have in my 2003 Jeep are the original headlights that came with the Jeep. Gee whiz, I've had it for, 18 years. I've upgraded LEDs on the back and the turn signals. Right here is a turn signal. You might see it flashing. Doesn't show up real well because it's so tiny. But I've always thought I'd like to upgrade the headlights someday. Well, I had a company that contacted me and asked me if I'd like to try theirs out. So that's what this video is about today. Installing LED headlights in my 2003 Jeep Wrangler. This company is called Suparee. Light forward. And they sent me this set here. It came from Ohio. It was shipped to me from Ohio. Nice box. So let's see what we have in here. Very simple, easy to read instructions. Here's what the headlights look like. They have the wire connectors. These are adapters. Two of those, one for each side, and an extension cord, which is for the turn signals. And these are 7-inch LED lights. What I'm excited about are the turn signals that come with them also. So you have daytime running lights, and you also have a amber turn signal, which will help me out a lot. So they have quick instructions, just 6 steps. Now, everything is going to be different depending on your vehicle, but it looks like it's fairly simple and straightforward. Now, because I have the modifications on here with the LED lights that I have, I'll have to splice into those, which is easy. It's just a 2-wire splice. So, let's see how it works out. Here's the inside of the box. We put this plastic cover on them, keep them from getting damaged. You can see these LEDs on the outer edge of it, and then of course the headlight LEDs on the inside. There's the adapter cables right there, and then the extension cables for the turn signal lights. All right, so I started the disassembly a few minutes ago just to save some time. I took out 7 screws from the old headlight, removed the beauty ring first, and then this ring here, which actually holds the old headlight in. Disconnected the headlight on the back and just removed it. Here's the new headlight. It looks like you use this existing ring. Yeah, looks like it'll work. Okay, so far so good. You can see this is the new LED headlight, and that's the old one over there on that side. I did learn that it's a direct connect for me, so I didn't need the adapter. And then the next thing will be to do the turn signal connection and then the daytime running light connection. So I've got to run a wire, much like you would for a stereo or some accessory that you would add to your vehicle so that when you turn the key on, then it works. So I'll be wiring that up too, and I'll let you know how it comes out. So far so good. The only complaint I really had was being a novice at putting these in. I didn't know which way was up, but I do see that it's got a DOT marking on the top, so that's what I set to the up position. Okay, there's the connection for the turn signal. I just wired it in down here and soldered it, and I'll tape it up, and that looks pretty good.